Welcome to today's lesson. My name is Jason Jacobs, and we are going to learn subtracting mixed numbers with like denominators, but we're going to be regrouping, and that can get a little scary. You see, we have 5 1/4 minus 2 3/4. Well, 1 minus 3, well, that would be a negative, but it's not a negative because of this mixed number. So let's model this and let's see what it looks like. Here we have 5 1/4, and we are going to subtract 2 3/4. Now, let's take away 2 3/4. Wait a minute, we can't, something's wrong. All right, by the way, 1 equals 100%, if you're curious about that. So we're gonna have to regroup to do it. So all I'm gonna do is trade out one of these holes, for 4/4. So we're gonna trade that out like that. Now we still have 5 1/4, and now we can take away 2 3/4. So here's how we do that. Let's take away 2. So we'll take away the 200%. And now we have to take away 3/4. So 3/4 is right there. And we're left with 2 2/4. Now 2 2/4 equals 2 1/2. All right, now that we've modeled it, let's do it. 1 minus 3, I can't do that. So what we have to do is we have to borrow from the whole number, and we're gonna make that 4. And we're gonna add a whole here. And a whole with a denominator 4 is 4/4. 4/4. Now, sometimes you can make a 1 like this, which is pretty darn cool. Isn't that cool? So we're going to make an equivalent fraction, which is going to be 4 so I'm going to rewrite it just for completion's sakes. Don't want to get lazy. 4 5/4 minus 2 3/4. So here we go. 5 minus 3, well, that's 2. And the denominator stays the same. 4 minus 2 is 2, and we have 2 2/4. 2 2/4 equal 2 1/2. There we go. Hey, let's try this one now. We have 6 3/8 minus 3 5/8. 3 minus 5, you can't do that. So we got to borrow. Go ahead, pause the video. Let's do this one. All right, and we're back. So how'd you do? Did you borrow from here? Borrow from the 6, the whole number, and make it a 5? And then we're gonna add 8/8, which is equal to 1. So that equals 5 11/8 minus 3 5/8. Here we go, 11 minus 5, well, that is 6/8. And 5 minus 3, that's 2. All right, so I'm in school now, and I wish the students were here. We have to clean up our classrooms and get them ready for deep cleaning, but I really like teaching, so thanks for watching. Let's see what we have here. 6/8. So what can you divide both 6 and 8 by? That's right, 2. Divide by 2. And we get 3/4. But it's 2 3/4. Let me just be clear about that. So 2 3/4. There we go. I hope you did well with regrouping. I hope the model helped for you. It helps me because it makes it make a little more sense than the abstract way of doing this. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Jason Jacobs, and I hope you're staying safe, happy, and healthy. Thanks for being awesome. Bye.